Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Abigail. I'm a makeup artist, but I also do makeup for Instagram and TikTok and try my very best with YouTube. And if you haven't already, please go and subscribe down below and smash that like button for me please, because it helps me out loads. Yes, I'm excited about today's video. It's just something a little bit different, but I did receive this in the post today. So basically, if you don't know what this is, which I'd be very surprised if you don't, because I think it's been advertised on everyone's Facebook and everyone's Instagram, but yeah, if you don't know what it is, it's a DIY lash lift. So it's just like creating LVL lashes at home yourself. So you get everything here that you need to create them, I think. So I'm not too sure how it's gonna go and I'm a bit nervous, but I am excited at the same time. So yeah, if you want to watch this, then please stay tuned. Right, so let's get started. I've zoomed in so you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing, and I'm going to pop some before pictures as well, because I've just took some of those, so we can just kind of take them for reference and see how well this actually works on my lashes. So let's read the back of the packaging. So the instructions are here on the back, and I'm sure on each one of the products as well, it also gives you a description of what you are supposed to do with each one. But anyway, so the first instruction is use the cleanser or an oil-free remover to clean any residue or dirt from your lashes and eyelid area, then ensure the area is completely dry. Sounds pretty straightforward. So here's the cleanser here. It's just like a little bowl. So I actually don't have any cotton buds, which I don't know how that's going to work, but I think I'm just going to use some of my old brushes and see if they work just as well. So I'm not too sure whether to do one eye like now on camera and do the other one after, maybe. Yeah, we'll probably do that. So we do the first eye together. Let's see if we can open it. Right, so I'm guessing I just brush this along my lashes, maybe? I mean, I'm very, very lucky actually. I've got really nice long lashes, but sometimes they don't always like stick out where I want them to. I'm so scared in case I get anything in my actual eye. Right, so that was pretty straightforward. Now let's see what is next. So pick a lift pad size. So I'm guessing that's just because on the back of here, these are the box of lift pads, and they've got different sizes, which is quite cool. The small is very dramatic, it says. Medium tight, medium 1 standard, medium 2 soft, and L natural. I'm gonna go medium. I'm gonna go tight. I would have probably went small, but no, we're gonna go tight. So I'm gonna, yeah, we'll do it. We want them nice and curly, don't we? So, and then inside the box is all the little lash pads. I'm quite impressed with this little kit, to be honest, but we'll see how it turns out first. Yes, right, I've got 2 mediums. Oh, right, so what did the rest of the package say? Then apply a good amount of adhesive to the back of the pad, wait 30 seconds and place the pad as close to your lash line as possible, hold in place for 30 seconds. Right, that seems straightforward too. Alright, okay, so this is this one here. Oh, it's already got a little brush inside of it. So I wonder how much I have to put on of this. It's quite tough. It's like, it's quite tough to put on. It feels like it's drying straight away. Well, we're only doing one eye for now, so let's not stress about the other one yet. Right, I'm gonna get my mirror, and you have to put this as close to the lash line as possible. Oh, it's like lifting up. It's not going on very easy. Maybe I need some more on. These are really hard to get on. They're like really fiddly. Right, I think that's the best I'm gonna do. This corner bit isn't sticking, which is quite annoying. Right, I think I've got it on properly. I'm not too sure, but we'll see what we have to do next and see if it works out. Right, apply adhesive to the lash side of the pad, wait 30 seconds, then use the lash comb to lift your lashes on the pad. Make sure they are evenly spaced and straight. Apply more adhesive if needed until they are all stuck down. Oh, right, this adhesive is actually really hard to use. It's really thick. Right, now we need a lash comb. So it says in this box that there is 2 sides to the comb. Alright, okay. So there's a smooth side, which is this little bit here. Can we see? And then there's like a little fine comb. So now we want to brush the lashes up. Oh, my eyes are watering. Trying to concentrate. It's not stinging or anything though, so that's a really good sign. Right, so I'm going to comb now the lashes on. Right, so can we see how that's looking? Using a cotton bud, right, using a cotton bud, apply, I can't even read with my eye like this. Apply a line of PERM solution along the lower half of your lashes. Right, like the lash root area. Right, so it's in here. If you apply it over the entire lashes, they will become unstuck. Then cover with cling film and wait 12 to 15 minutes depending on lash thickness. I don't know how thick my lashes are. Like, they're dark, but I don't think they're that thick. So maybe it's just 10 minutes. Right, so we're going to put the PERM. So it goes only on the bottom half, near the root. Okay, let's do this. I wonder how much you need. So just here. Oh, one of my lashes has come unstuck. I must have touched it all the way. Right, so I need cling film now. And that's in the kitchen, so I'm going to run downstairs and get some, and my eyes watering. It's not stinging or anything, it's just watering because it's very unnatural, this. So I'll be 2 minutes, I'll be back. Right, I've got some cling film. So, I'm just going to rip it like a little bit off, maybe, and like fold it. I should have probably got this before I started doing this. And then how do I cover it? Is it meant to stick? I'm out of breath. I'm so out of breath. I've only run downstairs. Right. Oh. Right, so 10. So I have to keep it like this for what, 10, was it 10 minutes? 15 minutes? Oh, 12 to 15. Right, so I'm going to pop a timer on my phone and I'll be back when it's done. Right, so it's time to take this thing off. Ugh. I can finally see. Oh wow, my eye is watering. So now it says to get a cotton bud, but obviously I don't have any. And just brush the bottom half of the lashes and get off the PERM, to remove the PERM from the lashes. And then you only brush the bottom half, and then you go in, you go in with the fix. So I'll take the little top off. And then I have to do it all again for 8 minutes. Ugh. I mean, it's not bad. It could be worse, it could be better and stinging, but it's not. Right. This on the bottom half, and then I'll put the cling film on again. I think it only goes on the bottom half, this, where does it go? Then repeat the same process with the fix lotion. Alright, okay, so the same process would be just on the bottom, wouldn't it? I don't even know how much of this I'm meant to be putting on. This box was really good as well, I didn't mention, but you get like 10 not 10 goes, what is it, like 10 applications? Yeah, 10 applications from it all. And it's meant to last like 2 months. Right, where's my control one? Right, let's rip off another bit, blind myself for 8 minutes and then I'll be back again. Right, so it's been another 8 minutes and I can finally take this off for good on this eye. Ugh. Right, so now the instructions say use a cleanser and a cotton bud, but I obviously don't have one, so I've got a brush to thoroughly clean your lashes of any residue and gently remove the pads from your eyelids. I really hope this has worked. If my lashes aren't coming off, I'm gonna be like this for forever, for the rest of my life. I wonder if I take the pad off, like from the back, and thoroughly, right, let's try it this way. Right, and then what does it say after that? Apply the Nourish lotion and comb your lashes. Repeat step 1 and 7 on either eye. Alright, okay. I thought I was going to say step 1 and 7 again on that eye. No, right. Let's get comfy while we sort this lash out. Nourish. So this is, it's just another little bottle like the other ones. Right, so how do we think we put this Nourish stuff on? Just brush it on, maybe? Right, so I think that's it. I'm gonna get a brush and just, if I can find one. So I've got this little spoolie and I'm just brushing through. And I mean, I don't know whether you can tell. Can we zoom in a bit more? But that's worked, like, that's worked loads, really. I mean, this outer corner could have done with like being up a little bit more. But I just think that's mainly just how, like, the shape of my eye. Like, my eye goes down a bit. It's just a bit slanted on that outside. But I mean, that to me looks really good. I like them. Let me know what you think down below, please. Because, yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to go off camera and do this eye. And I'll come back and show you, like, both my eyes done. Well, that's them both done and I'm over the moon with them. I think they look so good. I'll pop the before and after pictures up as well so you can compare, but you don't need the pictures to see like the difference. They look so good. Yeah, I'm really happy with them. Definitely think the kit was worth the money. With anything like this you do have to be careful. I mean, that's why you go to a salon, because they take all these cautions and look after you and stop you from getting any harm done to you. So yeah, just if you do want to try this and order this and do it for yourself at home, please be careful because it's around your eyes as well. But I'm very impressed with it and I've been safe when doing it. I think if you're a beautician you're probably thinking otherwise. But yeah, yeah, I'm really happy with it. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. Also let me know in the comments down below what you've thought of today. And yeah, it's been a bit of a different video and I'm on my bed, as you probably guessed, just chilling out, just hanging here. But yeah, if you've enjoyed it then please let me know. Also, if you want to go follow me on Instagram and TikTok to keep up to date with everything that I'm posting, then it's Abigail Family Art for those. And I think that's everything. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.